Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to beat Goalkeeper with Elastico. In the beginning, to perform Elastico, you have to perform this movement with right analog. If you are running to the right side, push analog downwards, left upwards. Opposite if you are running to the left side. Next, you have to time goalkeeper movement perfectly, because otherwise he will catch the ball. Like this. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.